Now I am going to tell you about whole numbers and natural numbers. Natural numbers are just the positive numbers that you have seen on the number line. That means I am talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just go on the counting to the endless. But the whole numbers mean we just add a 0 in front of the natural number and count it further on. We can say this is as a whole number. Now the last introduction of the real number is rational numbers and irrational numbers. How can you differentiate between rational and irrational numbers? Generally, any number 2, I can say it is a rational number as I can write it in the P upon Q form. P upon Q form is general form of numerator upon denominator. So I can write 2 by 1. It is a rational number. Let me take one more example. 5 by 2 is a rational number. Generally, we can say the rational numbers are those numbers which in which we can get the accurate answers. But irrational numbers are those numbers which we cannot solve. Likewise, under root 2, under root 3, under root 5, under root 7, so on, because they do not have an accurate answer. Let me take an example. Can you tell me under root 2 to 5 is a rational number or irrational number? This is the rational number as it has factors 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. And when I take out the common factors from it, it will give me 15. That means 15 is a proper number, is a whole number. That means it is a rational, and I can write it in the form of P upon Q. But I cannot solve under root 2. If I try to solve it by long division, I will get 1.41, so on. I will not get the accurate answer, so I will count it in the group of irrational numbers. So this is the basic concept of real numbers. Now we will start the exercise.